This is badass.
Good morning, everybody. I'm with my dear friend Rob Drinkard. He's the owner of Fast Lane Drive Idaho, and we're doing something absolutely different than usual. We're doing the delivery of his Revuelto. We're going to Lamborghini of San Diego. It's called O'Gara, and we're showing up with two Revuelto to deliver a Revuelto. Stay tuned to see the color, but it's definitely a sick color, and maybe the color the car needs to be on. So thank you, give me a big hug, and let's
Yep, let's do it. What got me hooked on the hybrid vehicle was the Lamborghini, for sure. Driving another friend's Lamborghini Revuelto just made all the difference in the world. The V12, the hybrid system in it just was awesome, exhilarating, and exciting to drive. That's what got me hooked on the hybrid system. I was a fan of Aventador, the SVs, the SVJs. Wanted one of those real badly. Then the Revueltos came out and was hooked immediately. I knew it was the car for me. And 2 weeks later, started the process. I got to actually drive one this weekend for a rally with Fast Lane Drive for their Christmas party, and it was epic. I was super glad to get to know the Revuelto a little bit more before I took delivery of mine. Can't even remember all the things I spec'd for that thing, you know? So I'm excited to see exactly how I designed it, because what I'm thinking in my mind might be something a little different. So excited to see it in real life. Well, we just pulled into the dealership. Let's go see the car.
Here we are.
Wonder what's
some champagne
under the, yeah, holy smokes. At least there is. Yeah, it's super cool.
Yeah, nice little gift. That's all you get.
That's, oh wow, that's super cool.
That's from Molly.
Well, let's see this thing. That thing is awesome. Holy crap, look at that.
Still in delivery mode.
And still in delivery mode, huh? Yeah?
Basically how it
Yeah, that is cool. Holy crap.
Wow.
Yeah.
You went crazy on the carbon.
Yeah. I wanted some good carbon on it. Ah, man. This is badass. Yeah, first time in it. Seats are comfy. I mean, this thing is gonna be good times. Good times. Love it. In love with it. Yeah. Here we go. We're gonna fire it up for the first time.
So Rob, first impression, what do you think?
Unbelievable. Freaking ecstatic. I forgot that I did the whole bottom trim, and so it's kind of pleasantly surprising to see that it's, you know, it's on the bottom. It's everywhere. The spec is awesome. Yep.
So Rob, why did you choose the Revuelto?
Well, I made the mistake of driving your Revuelto, so it got me hooked, and I had to have one.
So Lamborghini, if you see this, yes, we sold a Revuelto because of my car. Ha ha ha. That was an incredible day. Delivery of a Revuelto with a few Revuelto and our friend. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I see you on the next one. Love you all.